Kia ora, it's Ruth here and welcome to my backyard in Christchurch. This is part 2 of my end of August garden tour, and these tours are actually pretty quick because there's not too much going on in my garden at the moment. If you saw part 1, there was just a lot of things going to flower, which is a bit annoying because it's that cross season where everything's going up and down and I didn't really want them to go to flower yet. So what I'll do is I'll show you around this garden, and then the next video will be my September plan. So right in front of me we have got another kale that is going to flower. More kale that's going to flower. Some calendula. Along here in my little mini greenhouses is my silver beet, and that one can probably come off now. So my mini greenhouses serve 3 things. 1, so they don't get lost in the pea straw when the birds dig around. 2, so the birds don't get them when they're little seedlings. And 3, so they provide a little bit of warmth. So it is definitely still cold at night, so I'll be kind of taking things on and off a little bit, but when they get to this size, they really are too big to stay underneath. This one, yeah, it's pretty good as well, but the one next to it I can see is a bit smaller, so I'm going to leave this one on for a bit longer. These are celery. I haven't grown celery before, so I'm just seeing how they go. Got another beetroot that needs to come out there, and then the last of our kind of main line of carrots. And, which I hadn't realised, lots of weeds. It's really easy this time of year for weeds to get ahead of you, but as you notice, in the pea straw, there's nothing. The only weeds are where there is no pea straw. Can I do a sneaky pull out right now? Oh, no, you know what? I'm going to leave it because I don't want to break the roots like I did last time. You're going to hear me say a lot this summer, but pea straw is definitely the way to go. With having a baby, it's so fantastic because it means, as I just said then, the only areas of my garden that get weeds are where there isn't pea straw. So you give a good weed, put a good layer of pea straw on, and then it's pretty much hands-free. So that's one reason I love pea straw. A lot more will come later on. Over here, our pak choy is going really well. I've just planted a few cauliflower. Oh, the bird's got the top of this one. There is some more silver beet and these, and beetroot, and these are annoying me because again my kale is going to flower. Those are my most recent plants, and they were meant to be my succession because these plants here, also going to flower, have been since April last year. So they've been like a year and a half in the ground, and I thought, oh cool, you know, those ones have been a year and a half, we'll get the other ones going. They're going to flower. Can't do anything about it now, so I've just got some more kale seeds that I need to plant. So along the side here we've got more silver beet, got our nosy girls, we've got actually a rogue carrot that I might pull out. Yeah, that's fun. One thing I love about carrots, it's definitely very satisfying when you get these nice long ones, but it's really cool when you get ones that want to run away too. So there's a nice carrot I'll just hold on to for now. We've got a few, as you can see here, peas, but a lot of them got by birds. And here I re-netted the ones over here. There's my good shadow. To hopefully give them a little bit of a chance, but I've kind of given up. And here is some broccoli at the front and at the back. And again, I've got them in the cage just to protect them from the birds a little bit more. They're getting a bit big for it now, so I might need to go. But you see this one here? No cage, to the ground, plant at the same time. Cage, so much better. So I might need to, let's just put this back on. Birds in the garden are annoying, but they do get a lot of my bugs, so I can't complain too much. Got some lovely calendula. We've got our rhubarb starting to come up again, which is nice. We've covered it in pea straw. We've put a whole lot of manure on it, so hopefully we get a really good lot of that this year. Got our worm farm, our compost, my little kale jungle with my really big kale tree, and then all our garlic. It's going really well, and sprouting broccoli, the end of this going to flower too. I'll do a quick show of what's going on in the glass house, but what I'll do is I'll do the proper what's going on in the glass house in my September plan, but not much. Down the side we are picking our sprouting broccoli still. It's definitely going to flower a little bit faster, but as long as we get it at this point it's okay. We've got some lettuce, we've got some spinach, we've got some beetroot, and then around here is what I need to sort out, and I've got some worm tea. And then I've got some seeds, which have only been in here just over a week. So there's seeds and seedlings. But I will tell you about them soon. So I'm going to finish here, check out my September plan to see what's happening with these seeds and what else I'm planning to do in my garden. And I can hear a baby, so I think I better go now. So, ka kite, I'll catch you next time. Bye.